acid all-in-one replump. And it also replumps my sink. I'm just kidding. But really, it is a good cleaner. It smells good. And hey, if it's enough to clean my face, it's enough to clean my sink, right? I have to tell you that it's one of my favorite non-cleaning products. It just smells delicious and it really does clean pretty well. So if you are in need, like traveling, and you can't find a cleaning product, your La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser, along with Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, I'm probably saying that completely wrong, along with Honest